careful with your phone because it'll get wet.
I know, that's why I'm standing back.
Oh, mine just got missed.
So did mine. Kinda hard to see on the phone. It doesn't look like anything's coming down. Sing him the other way.
See, you can't even see out. Look how thick that is.
Ah! I'm getting misted. This is worse than the last one. At least from the footage I saw. At least this time I'm here in person to see it. Hey look, we got a little river. Little river. Whoa. Looks like it just got harder again.
So bad for the poor idiot who's out there driving in it.
I know.
He's driving in the direction the wind is blowing. He was on that road. I was just saying, I feel bad for the idiot driving in everything other than this way. Oh, that gravel bit too.